Let's look at this probability/counting problem. A fair six-sided die is rolled twice. What is the probability that the first number that comes up is greater than or equal to the second number? Some student may jump to the answer of C and half right away. The argument might be that the probability of first number is greater than second number, that's half. Each number has an equal chance being greater than the other one. Actually, that is not right, because the question in this problem is greater than or equal to, so the answer should not be half. However, that motivation is not entirely wrong. Let's look at this problem. We will use the same motivation in a little bit. Alright, before we calculate the probability, we want to count how many possible outcomes that we may have when we roll a die twice. So when we roll once, we have 6 possible outcomes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we roll the die a second time, we have another 6 possible outcomes. So by the multiplication rule, when we consider the outcome of rolling the die twice, so the total possible outcomes would be 6 times 6. That's 36 possible outcomes. Alright, and now we want to do a casework, and we will apply the beginning motivation. So we know that each number has an equal chance being greater than the other number. But there's an exception that the two numbers can be equal. Then in how many cases that these two numbers can be equal? So that will be 1, 1, right? 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6, right? That's when the two numbers are equal. So we subdivide the 36 possible outcomes into two cases. The number one is the two numbers are equal, and we have 6 possible outcomes. When they are not equal, here the beginning motivation comes into play. When they are not equal, there's an equal chance that the first number is greater than the second one. So not equal. Alright, then we have half of the chances that the first number is greater than the second one. We need to deduct the number of cases that the two numbers are equal from the total possibilities. That's 36, right? So this equals to a half times 30. That equals to 15. Therefore, the total possible outcomes that the first number is greater than or equal to the second number is 6 plus 15. And then we divide that number by the total number of possible outcomes, which is 36. That's the answer. So this equals to 21 over 36. And both numbers are divisible by 3. So we divide 3 on the top and on the bottom. So this becomes 7 over 12. So the actual answer is D. That's our choice. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumb up. If you have questions, please comment.